Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best gifts for kids that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Agoigo Kids Waterproof Camera. This camera by Agoigo allows your kids to have fun, get creative, and make memories. Available in 7 different colors, the camera comes with a waterproof and shockproof case to ensure that it stays intact and falls on the ground or water. When the camera isn't making a brace for impact, it can take both videos with playback and audio, as well as take photographs with 28 different photo frames and 6 filters. The camera kit also comes with a mount to attach to a bike, scooter, or helmet to record things on the go. And when your kid wants to take a break from taking pictures, they can play one of 3 built-in puzzle games: Tetris, Snacker, and Pushbox right on the camera. Moving on at number 4, we have the WowWee Got 2 Glow Fairy Finder. The Got 2 Glow Fairy Finder will have your kids moving around the house and outside to find and collect virtual fairies. The more places they go, the higher chance they have to find fairies. They can also play some games on the jar's interactive screen to increase the odds of finding rare fairies. This cute little glow-in-the-dark fairy jar can fit up to 100 fairies. Each jar is limited to 30 fairies. And kids can digitally say hello to their little winged friends, as well as hug and feed them using the buttons. Once captured, they can even share and swap fairies with siblings and friends who also have their own fairy finder. At number 3, we have the Baketivity Cookie Making Kit for Kids. Combining children's love of creating, getting their hands dirty, and eating sweets, the Baketivity Jumbo Yum and M Cookie Making Kit has pre-measured ingredients to make a batch of delicious chocolate chip cookies. Parents will need to prepare a few cooking essentials from their pantry: butter, an egg, and some kitchenware. Overall, though, minimal adult input is necessary, and there are understandable step-by-step instructions to help children feel more independent. This set also includes an apron and a chef's hat to fully immerse your child into the role of pâtissier. Beyond cookies, Baketivity also offers a pretzel making kit and a cake pop set. At number 2, we have the VTech Rock and Bop music player. If you remember the unparalleled joy of receiving your very first music player, be it an iPod or, dare we say it, a Walkman, then you can imagine your child's excitement to unwrap the VTech Rock and Bop music player. Suitable for children starting the age of 3, this little device offers a selection of songs that children can dance and play to. But there's more. It also features 10 musical learning games that teach the alphabet, numbers, animals, instruments, and more. Kids can choose from a variety of songs using the buttons: classical, rock, and hip-hop, and it even lets them create remixes. And finally at number 1, we have the Let Loose Moose Hover Soccer Ball. It's no secret that kids love to bring in their outdoor play inside, sometimes much to the dismay of their parents. The Let Loose Moose Hover Soccer Ball solves the problem of dangerous indoor play once and for all by ensuring the ball in question stays safely on the floor and away from delicate vases. Made from foam, the hover soccer ball's soft edges protect your furniture, pets, and toes, and simply glides above hard floors or shorter carpets when kicked. Adding to the fun, it also has flashing LED lights for a fun game in the dark too.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.